Yes, hello, good afternoon, viewers. My name is Engineer Wills. I'm back again. On our last topic, we were treating multiplication by three-digit numbers, and the next lesson, the next class was to treat multiplication by two-digit numbers. But that's not today's topic anyway. Today's topic is simple equation. But before we go to simple equation, we are going to solve one or two problems, that has to do with multiplication by two-digit number. Because I had one comment from someone. He said that he wants to watch the video. So please, let's do that before we go into simple equation. Let's go there. We have multiplication by two-digit numbers. We have 2, 4, 5, and then 2, 4, and then 4, 3. 24 times 43. Remember what multiplication says. Multiplication is a continuous addition of numbers. For example, if you have 2 times 3, like I said on the other video, 2 times 3 means it's the same thing as saying 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then call it 4 times 4. It's the same thing as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. And you know very well that 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 will give you 16. You understand? Example, if we have 3 times 4, it is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Do you understand? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. So multiplication is a continuous addition of numbers. So let's go back to our lesson. So 24 times 43. 24 times 43. 4 times 3 gives us 12. You carry your 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1, 7. And then 4 times 4 is 16. You carry 1. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Plus 1, 9. So the next step here now is to add the numbers. Remember 24 times 3. 24 multiplied by 3 will give you 4, 3, 12. You carry 1. 3, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. That is 24 multiplied by 3. So 24 multiplied by 4 again. 24 multiplied by 4. 4 times 4, 16. You carry 1. 4, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So you see the 72 and the 96. So you have to add them together now and follow the next process. You have 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. You carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 24 plus 43 will give you 1032. So we are going to solve one more problem before we go to simple equation. So you see how I got 1032. So let's solve one more problem before going to simple equation. We have for example 43 multiplied by 25. So you make sure you arrange your table. 43 multiplied by 25. 3 times 5 is 15. Write your 5 and carry 1. 4 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. So you see how the number is arranged. You have to be careful when you are arranging, because if you don't arrange it well, you have a wrong answer. You may have the right answer here, but final answer may be wrong. For example, you have 43 times 5. 5 3 is 15. Carry your 1. 5 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. That is 215. 43 and this is 215. By the time you say 43 again, multiplied by 2. So when you have your 2, that is where you start your multiplication, like I'm doing here. Because if I carry this 6 to where under 5, where I have 5, there will be a problem when I'm adding. So you have to be careful. 43 divided by 2. It has to be under this line of 2. That is the arrangement. Are you getting me? So by the time you finish that, 3 2 is 6. 4 2 8. 86. So you add those numbers together. We have 5 here. We have 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 1075. So please be very careful when you are arranging the numbers so that you have your correct answers. So now let's move on to the next topic, which is simple equation. When they say y, they say x, people like running away from it. It is very simple. It's a simple mathematics. When they say x, x is unknown. Like they asked someone the other day, where is x? He say, I can't see, I can't find it. X is unknown. So you do some working and have, a particular number, your answer. So let's go to simple equation. Equation. If we have 2y plus 4 is equal to 12, and you're asked to find y. So what do you do when you have a problem like this? 2y plus 4 is equal to 12. That means there is a particular number here, and that number we don't know it. So that is why we call it y, or we can call it x, any letter. You can use any alphabet. 2y plus 4 is equal to 12. So if you don't know what y is, you do working and then have the know what y is. So you say 2y will give you 12. 12 here now. When it comes to this side, like I told you the other day, addition and subtraction has something in common, opposite. And then multiplication and division has something in common, that is opposite. So if you don't add, you subtract, that is opposite. So 12 now, this sign now has to turn to negative sign. 12 minus 4. So 2y is equal to 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 should give us 8. So now 2y is equal to 8. I don't know if you understand up to that point. So now you say y is equal to 8 all over 2. 2 goes cancel itself. 1 goes here. 4. So y is equal to 4. So that means there is something here which is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Then 8 plus 4 will give you 12. You see how simple it is? So let's do some other problem. I hope you understand it very well. The way I'm doing it. 2y plus 4 is equal to 12. Then 2y is equal to 12 minus 4. You know why minus is here? Because it's a reversal, like I told you the other day. This and this has something in opposite. 12 minus 4 gives you 8. Then 2y is equal to 8. Y now will be is equal to 8 all over 2. And if you divide that, you have 4. So that means there is 4 here. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 will give you 12. You get that? So let's do another problem. We have 6y plus 10 is equal to 34. 6y plus 10 is equal to 34. This is a very simple mathematics. 6y is equal to 34 minus 10. 34 minus 10 is 24. So 6y is equal to 24. So y now will be equal to 24 all over 6. So if 6 goes here, 1. 6 will go here 4 times. So now y is equal to 4. So that means this place there is 4 here. 6 times 4 is 24. 6, 4, 24. 24 plus 10 will give you 34. So you see how simple the math is. It's a simple, like the topic says, simple equation. It's very simple. But people take it as if it's very difficult when they see y and when they see x. No, it's not difficult. It's very simple. So that is how it is done. I hope you are done with that. So before we go, let's take 4 more problems. 5y plus y is equal to 70. 5y plus y is equal to 70. Sorry, there's a problem. X plus 40 is equal to 70. X plus 40 is equal to 70. We don't know what x is, do we? We don't. So we have to look for a number that represents x. So what do? We say x is equal to 70 minus 40. Remember what I told you? Opposite of positive is negative. So when it was positive, when it is opposite, it's negative. 70 minus 40 gives us 30. So x now is equal to 30. So that means x here now, that is 30, plus 40 will give you 70. This is a very simple equation. It's a very simple mathematics. Are you okay with that? So let's look for some other problem. 50 plus x is equal to 80. 50 plus x is equal to 80. 50, that means that 50 added with a number will give you 80. There's a number that will be added to 50, and then the result of that number will be 80. The answer to 80. What is that number? How do we find out that? We can say x is equal to 80 minus 50. Remember, this was positive, so it has to change to negative. Remember what I told you: positive and negative, multiplication and addition. So 80 minus 50, it will give us 30. You have 30. So now x is equal to 30. Very simple. So that means 50 plus x. What is x? X is 30. So 50 plus 30 will give you 80. You understand? It's very simple. So let's solve one more problem before going. X plus 13 is equal to 43. X plus 13 is equal to 43. What is this x? Because x is not a number. We can say that x is equal to 43 minus 13. For you to know what x is, you have to go backwards and then check. 43 here now minus 13. And that should give you what? 30. So x, we said that x gives us 30. So assuming you say 30, which is x, plus 13, that will give you 43. See how simple it is. So when they say simple equation is very in mathematics. I hope you are done with this.